Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Sun World. Today, follow me. Let me introduce the 150 extruder machine for the power cable. This 2500 prototype pay off. This cable is after steel taping. Then we will go to jacketing. And 2500 kg caterpillar before extruder. The bigger size of the cross head, 150 main extruder. And HMI and warm water cooling source and cold cooling water source. Warm water and cooling water. After shading, very smooth the surface of the cable. Closer system. Remove the water. Make the cable dry. And inject printing machine, marking the company name, the cable size, and the standard. Then go to caterpillar, 2500 kg caterpillar. Okay. Finally, go to prototype pickup. This is a 150 shading machine to produce the outer jacketing for low voltage, middle voltage, high voltage power cable. Thank you.